Wastewater problems don't fix themselves. They build up, break down your pipes,
and lay waste to your budget. We know wastewater systems can be problematic, but finding a solution shouldn't be. Without proper maintenance, sewer lines, lift stations, and wastewater lagoons are at a high risk for hydrogen sulfide corrosion, solids buildup, and system overflows, all of which can cause premature infrastructure failure, costly emergency repairs, and environmental violations, unless you get some support. Here's how we help. State's biological wastewater solutions are heavy-duty, proven, and designed to run on autopilot. Our automated systems deliver proven chemical formulations exactly where it's needed, in sewer lines, lift stations, or lagoons, to attack the buildup at the source, break up sludge, and keep everything moving. We'll set up your solutions and monitor them to ensure you're set for success. And this is why it matters. When you keep odors and corrosion under control, you protect your pipes, pumps, and the people working around them. You cut down on emergencies, extend the life of your equipment, and stay in good standing with your community and regulators. Protect your community, keep your infrastructure strong, and do it all with less effort from your team. Talk to State Industrial Products and see how simple wastewater control can be.